The algorithm tracks specific signals that quietly bury your account. I have been through it, and in this video I'll show you why it happens and how to fix it fast. By the end, you'll know 3 main reasons Twitter shadow bans accounts, the signs you have been hit, and the exact steps to recover and get your reach back. First, we need to figure out why you get shadow banned. Reason number 1 is spam signals. If you're mass replying, copy-pasting, using AI to write your posts, or dropping too many links, the algo sees you as bot. Reason number 2 is negative ranking factors. Getting muted, blocked, or reported by other accounts will tank your reach. Even posting negatively or trolling can cripple impressions overnight. Reason number 3 is rule violation. Borderline content like politics, adult content, or spammy engagement farming will guarantee you get shadow banned. Bottom line, shadow bans are not random. They're the result of the negative signals stacking up until the algo buries you. So what are the signs that you are shadow banned and how do you know it? Your impressions will most likely collapse, so your reach will have 80 to 90% less impressions overnight. Replies stop getting seen even on big accounts. If people will search your handle, your tweets won't show up for others. And if these things are happening to you, you are most likely shadow banned. If you want checklists how to avoid shadow ban and more on how to grow on X and algorithm breaks down, I have linked my free Telegram group down below so you can check it out. I'm sure that you by now already ask yourselves, how do I fix this? Here's what actually works and how to recover your profile. First thing that you should do, you should audit your activity. What do I mean even by that? Is that you stop spamming replies, you stop any automations that you are running on X, and you cut low quality links. Next thing you should do is to clean your profile. You should update your bio, banner, and links so the account looks human and trustworthy, not like some bot is running it. And last step is to post like a person, not a bot. Mix in personal takes, stories, and value tweets. Avoid negativity, limit links, and focus on content that drives time on posts so dwell time increases. Last but not least on the list is wait it out. What do I mean even by that? Is that most shadow bans are temporary, which is very good. After 7 to 14 days of normal posting, reach usually returns. If we quickly recap everything, you get shadow banned when the algo sees spam, negative signals, or rule violations. And to fix that, you simply just need to stop spammy behavior, clean your profile, and post like a human and just wait it out. And if you have been shadow banned before, drop a comment and let me know what triggers it. And in my next video, I'll show you how to get clients on X. And thank you guys for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.